Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you a certain amount of videos that have been posted on social media, or should I say, they are being talked about on social media. But before I get started, I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a damaged motor vehicle. So I got the understanding that the door of the motor vehicle have been damaged. The viewers and subscribers didn't get any specific information as to exactly how the door of the motor vehicle have been damaged. But in the video, you can hear at least one person say some words pertaining to the situation, but I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in this video are accurate, and I'm not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in this video are true. Alright? Yes, so I'm going to take a look at the video and see if we can get an understanding of the situation, and viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Mom's licking the door, somebody opened the door. The key down there and lick it, basically lick it in.
So that door can't open, can't shut?
More than likely, no. More than likely.
But you can't let us.
Exactly.
You can't open door for him.
Wow. Well, in my point of view, my people, I think it is common knowledge to many adults. I am not going to say all adults, you know, many adults that it's not wise to open a motor vehicle door when you're at certain locations. Then that I'm going to say, like if you're dep on the road where other motor vehicles are driving, so I say you have to be careful. That's why you have certain rules and laws when it comes on to traffic or driving motor vehicles. In it. So I say, yeah, the rules and laws have been put in place to protect me and you, and for other reasons as well. I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video be recorded. See? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. You can tell me what I think about that situation. Alright, now my people, here I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle overturned and somehow end up on one of its sides. Now this video is going to show when a certain amount of persons worked together in order to push the motor vehicle back on its wheels, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured or anything about any form of fatality. I don't even have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. But let's take a look at the video nevertheless, alright? Because this video has been talked about on social media, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Peter, are you that? Peter, come down. Somebody name it.
That's my driver, I want you to
Take on the driver.
You run out. Unity of strength, my people. You see what can happen when people work together? Yeah, unity of strength. You know, so if you look out for one another, you see me, I say, my people. Now, my people, I want to take a look at this picture right here. Yeah, this picture shows a stick. See me? Yeah, the picture shows a stick, and the stick in something. You see me, I say. And you know, I wonder if this picture is some form of a publicity stunt or what. Because when I say, have me thinking, like, I see a price tag, I see the stick in a something, and if you notice, you can see the word S-T-I-C-K, stick, on the thing there right there, so you can see other words as well. So, stick, my people, like stick. Me can't go cut stick out of the door, you know, me can't go break off piece of stick, you know. See me? One time I look at you, me usually go a bush, go cut stick for make what you call a slingshot, you know. You see me, Jamaicans call it, well, me don't know, but me call it bingy crook. Bingy crook. You see me, I say? Yeah, but me I tell you, now this, the people tell me about that picture because it's not real. Me don't know what to say. You see me I say, cause me see some weird things when me see I sell nowadays. Me not go say me no believe, but at the same time me no to accept what me see in that picture there. So cause that picture there me thinking. So tell me what you think, my people. Now here I am going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media that shows some things that happened when a person used at least 2 objects to force open a door. Yes, I'm going to say force open a door, viewers and subscribers. As I say, because in my point of view, the person do some things that can be considered as using force in order to get the door open. Yes, I say, and you might be surprised to see what the person do after the door open, viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to take a look at these pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media and tell me what to think about a situation like this. I mean, what would you call a situation like this? Yes, I think it is best that you look at these pieces of videos and then we talk some more. All right. Some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Now take notice what the person do this. See, person take out one thing, me call that an object. You see me I say, and look what the person do. See? So that look like a 2 object this now. That's why I say at least 2 objects. You see me I say, the thing about it now, my people. And minutes the person that is so I do what am I doing. You understand? Minutes. You see that? You see that, people? Look. Look, you see that the person rip off something that's something force off this. Look and look. You see how long the person that is so? Look on the amount of time. Look there. Watch it. Look how I play a person, I look all over the place. Look, just look what I go on. and gone back again at it. See that? Watch it. Now, in my point of view, the person do all of that to open the door. Can't tell exactly what happened after. But the video did not show the person exactly go inside of the building through that door. And in my point of view, that door had been forced to open. So all of that me I think about, you see. So my people, you know what? Me is the kind of person, you know, me like to deal with confirmed information. You so me I say. So me I wonder, what would you call a situation like that? What would you call a situation like that? You see me? Can it be considered as breaking? All different type of things me I think about. Look how the person that look all over the place. Yeah, me I tell you. So so me I go left it still, number people. So big up and respect to each and every one. Just, you know, talk to you about a certain amount of videos that is being talked about on social media or posted on social media. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.